Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. We are with you with a tutorial on how to charge an account using the Tether TRC20 method in the IFC Market broker. As you can see, we have successfully registered and verified our account in this broker, and now we are going to use the Tether TRC20 method to charge the account. For this, you need to click on the My Account section on the left panel and select the deposit option. On the next page, as you can see, there are different methods for depositing, and in this tutorial, you will choose from the cryptocurrency method. The processing time in this method is less than 1 business day, and the labor cost in this method is 0%. We click on the deposit option. On the next page, you have the option to select the account to deposit to, and the method, which we will use in this tutorial, the TRC20 method. In the next section, you select the amount to deposit, and after viewing the details of this transaction, agree to the terms and conditions. You agree to this deposit and click on Next. On the next page, the destination address and the exact amount for the deposit will be displayed to you. You access your wallet on your mobile phone. You select the desired asset, which is Tether on the Tron network, and click on the Send option. In the first section, you enter the destination address, and in the second section, you enter the exact amount for the deposit. You can easily scan the displayed QR code by clicking on this option to complete the deposit process. Please note that the amount you deposit must exactly match the amount shown in this section. You click on the Next option, and on the next page, the sender's address, destination address, fee amount, and total amount will be displayed to you. After clicking on Confirm and entering the password, the deposit operation will be completed. After completing the deposit operation, you can view the details of this transaction by clicking on the More Details option on the Tronscan website. You can also view the details of this transaction on the broker page by clicking on this View option. After completing the transaction, you can click on Return to your account in this broker and return to your user cabin to view the details of this transaction, and click on the Operation History section to view the complete details of your transaction. So this was the training for the account manager at the IFC Markets broker using the 320-step process. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.